Today we're going to replace the front windshield wipers on this 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. Alright, all you simply have to do is pick it up, turn this over, push this down, and out it comes. And go ahead and pull it out. Just be gentle with it. Alright, and there it is. Now we're going to remove the other side. Alright, same thing with this one. This one actually has a little tab right here, so press that little tab in and slide this down. There it is. Alright, and here we have it. So we have two replacements here, the 18 and 26. The 18 will be for the passenger side. So let's go ahead and line this up this way, so it will meet that. So go ahead and slide that in, pull it up, bring that down. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Look at this side right here. Perfect. That's going to latch like this. So we're going to flip this over so it could be like that. Slide that in, bring it up, and that's it. And that is how you install new windshield wipers on a 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.